Hey guys, so it's November, which means it's National Novel Writing Month. Okay, so first of all, I'm so sorry this video is a little bit late. I was hoping to publish this November 1st, but it is November 6th as I am filming this. So let's go anyways. So it's week 1 and I'm gonna start by making a tracking system. I filmed me making the tracking document before this, if that means anything. But since it's getting darker earlier, I feel like I am very limited on time. And so good luck to me. So I'm not planning to actually write a novel. I'm planning to write a Kindle Vella. I'm gonna try to see how far I can get before I just completely fail. So that's my plan. So let's go make a tracking system for this. I really love checkboxes and just organizing the way that you are planning to do something. It's something that helps motivate me to do whatever it is that I'm wanting to do. It could be cleaning, it could be at work, it could be house stuff that needs to get done, but I find this really motivating. I don't even care if this line that I'm drawing is not even straight. It doesn't matter. Really all I want is just a way to organize my thoughts and what I want to accomplish. So I'm just kind of going rogue with this. I did not pre-plan this, but I'm making this look kind of like a calendar, but also an organizer. So the big box at the top is going to be for the month, and then I think this is when I had the idea that I want to have straighter lines because these are gonna get kind of small. So I need to have 7 of them, 1 for every day of the week. And then from there, I kind of break it down even more. Okay, so I have never really been good at hand lettering, but I do want to thank Canva because I feel like ever since I've been using Canva, I just have more inspiration for lettering in itself. And so this is not by any means perfect, but I do think it's improving. And then I had to title this because what if somebody found it and they were like, what is this? Are you tracking the days? Like you're just like every day of the month of November you get a check mark for living? Like what is this? What is this? And so I think it's important to have a title. So, you know, it just kind of more clarity. Okay, so I am filming this on a Sunday and I've already started NaNoWriMo, so I have some boxes I can already shade in. It's gonna take me a minute because my cat is blocking me. Okay, so when I get towards the end, I do have a lot of space that's left over, so I decided to get creative. What I'm doing is I'm making even more checkboxes. If you are also obsessed with checkboxes, then you know the happiness that you get from filling in a box. So this is why I'm doing that. And you probably saw that I've messed up a few times on this tracking sheet. don't be afraid to mess up. I am not planning to frame this. This is just used for motivation. If I mess up, then it's not the end of the world. But what I plan to do here is once I hit 5,000 words, I'm gonna shade that box in and completely just shade it out. So I've already hit that, so I just shaded it. So that's not a mess up, but that is a completion. So that was my first thing of creativity. Second one is that I'm gonna break it down by weeks. So that is what I'm doing here. Last, I decided to add a pop of color. I would like to have pink, but I can't find the pink highlighter, so I'm gonna have to use green instead. Green is not my favorite color, but it's just gonna have to work for this. And if you've seen my cat, like, she totally made me mess up right there. So that is fine. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am planning to make one video per week just to show you guys my progress. I'm not gonna talk a lot about the Vella itself or tell you my pen name I'm using, but I can say that is what I'm working on, and I hope it motivates you to write your own story. Pretty much anyone can write a story, even if no one's gonna read it. So I totally recommend that if you are participating, definitely comment below, just so we can help motivate each other, because it's gonna be a long month. And we can do it, and we can win NaNoWriMo. So we'll see. Okay, so I have to go get back to writing now. Bye.